From the Tennessee Valley Weather Center, this is your evening weather update.
Fred Gossage here in the Tennessee Valley Weather Center taking a look at your Tuesday evening forecast update. Showers and thunderstorms have mainly been off into Kentucky and northeastern areas of Tennessee, and those are going to stay off to the northeast of us. Not looking at rain chances here. We've been mostly sunny through the day, and we're going to be quiet for the next several days. No rain chances on the board here locally. We'll start dropping back out of the 90s into the 80s as we head closer to sunset, then the 70s this evening, and then closer to the upper 60s and lower 70s as we head toward daybreak for our morning lows, with a few clouds moving in, but no rain chances with this as we head toward midday here. On our Wednesday, partly sunny skies across the area, low to mid 90s by the midday, and I think a lot of us get a little bit warmer than that. Maybe mid to upper 90s over northern Alabama and low to mid 90s for daytime highs over southern middle Tennessee. Showers just to the north, but I do think that they weaken before they move in here. Futurecast is a little aggressive with this. I will show that it's showing a shower or two tomorrow. However, it usually runs too aggressive in patterns like this, and other models don't agree with these showers moving in tomorrow, but we'll watch it. We'll say rain chances about 10% across the area. Don't be surprised if there is a stray shower, but more than likely it's Futurecast just overdoing things. It showed this yesterday for today and the other day for yesterday. You kind of get the idea that the day before it overdoes stuff and then the day of it starts to back off. I think that's the case as we head through tomorrow as well, but we'll watch for a stray shower. Can't rule that out. As we head in through Wednesday and Thursday, partly sunny skies. Most of the activity staying off to our north once again. Going into Friday, more of the same, partly cloudy here to mostly sunny. Warmer temperatures as we head through the week by a little bit, closer to the mid-90s, maybe upper 90s over North Alabama, and then maybe a stray shower or two as we head Saturday night, and a few showers and thunderstorms possible as we head in through Sunday. Daytime highs the next several days here, low to mid-90s over southern middle Tennessee, a few degrees warmer than what you see on the chart here as we head into northwest Alabama. Morning lows getting closer to the 70-degree mark as we head toward the weekend here. So humidity building up just a little bit as we head forward. We're watching the tropics. No big weather systems to speak of. The weather disturbance we've been watching moving across the Atlantic since Friday, now entering the Caribbean, but it's encountering strong wind shear, so I'm really not expecting that to develop as we go forward. We also have low pressure off the southeast coast here, and another tropical wave rolling off the coast of Africa. So we have three low probability zones outlined by the National Hurricane Center. The western two, I'm not as concerned about. The one in the Caribbean, the chance of that developing, the window for that's kind of closing now. We'll watch the system off the southeast coast, but not a lot of model support for that. However, I think of the three, the one that has the best chance of possibly becoming a tropical depression or a tropical storm is the one rolling off the coast of Africa that looks to move north of the Lesser Antilles late in the week toward the weekend. We'll watch that carefully, but no imminent threats of a big tropical system toward the United States for at least the next 7 days. We'll watch it carefully for you. Your hourly forecast for tonight looks like this: mostly clear skies overnight, dropping out of the 80s and the 90s into the 70s during the evening, and then staying toward the upper 60s, lower 70s around daybreak for your morning lows. Your hometown forecast across southern middle Tennessee looks like this: partly sunny skies for your Wednesday. Again, about a 10% chance of a shower, which means that I won't account for it on the icon. I do think the Futurecast model was overdoing that. Most likely we're going to stay dry. Daytime highs in the low to mid 90s. More of the same over northwest Alabama, partly sunny and hot. Highs here in the mid 90s. Maybe a few folks as high as 97 or 98, especially on your backyard thermometers. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. And again, no real big weather systems for the next 7 days at least here. Partly sunny to mostly sunny all the way through Saturday. Daytime highs in the low to mid 90s, maybe a few upper 90s over North Alabama. Morning lows near 70. Towards Sunday, maybe an isolated shower or a thunderstorm. We're actually considering taking that off the board though in future forecast updates because the model data has trended drier for Sunday as we've gotten closer, and maybe a few more showers or a thunderstorm as we head toward Tuesday of next week. That's a look at your latest 7-day forecast. I'll be back at 9 o'clock with another check of your local weather.